In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Robinhood Gold. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're paying for, and a few key things to keep in mind before you subscribe. First, a quick heads up. You need an active Robinhood brokerage account before you can get gold. If you're already using Robinhood to invest, you're good to go. Today's walkthrough is on the desktop web version, which keeps everything clear and straightforward. Open your browser and go to robinhood.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look for your profile menu in the upper right corner. Click that, and then select Robinhood Gold from the menu. On the Gold page, you'll see details about the plan and what's included. When you're ready, click Join Gold or Upgrade. The site will guide you through confirming your subscription. Review the plan, pick your billing option, and then confirm. That's it. The subscription activates after you complete the confirmation. Let's talk price so you can choose the best option. Robinhood Gold costs $5 per month, or you can save with a discounted annual plan at $50 per year. Pricing can change, but those are the current standard options. Be sure to choose the billing cycle that matches how you plan to use Gold. So what do you actually get with Robinhood Gold? You'll earn higher interest on uninvested cash, which means idle funds can work a little harder for you. You also unlock bigger instant deposits, so more of your newly added money can be available to trade right away. If you're eligible and understand the risks, you can access margin trading. Plus, you get advanced research tools that can help you dig deeper into companies and market trends. There are also premium perks, such as an IRA match and other benefits that periodically improve the overall value. A few important notes before you subscribe. If there's a trial available, remember that charges begin automatically once the trial ends unless you cancel. You can cancel any time in your account settings, and your benefits will remain active through the end of your billing period. Also, some perks, like certain credit card or premium benefits, require an active Gold subscription to stay in effect, so plan accordingly. And that's the process. Go to Robinhood.com, log in, open your profile menu, choose Robinhood Gold, click Join Gold or Upgrade, and confirm your subscription. Take a moment to pick the billing option that makes sense for you, review the benefits, and keep those key reminders in mind.